Hello guys, welcome back to another video for you. Now I'm here today playing another game of Respawnables. Now guess what guys? I'm on week 4 of Road to Glory. And look at this. I want you to see my gun yet. So guys, now let's go. This one is the best one. Look at this. Now that gun I'm pointing at right now, that gun is an elite weapon. So it's not on the game. But since this event is on here. And that's the second gun you gotta get. So damn easy, guys. So damn easy. Then there's this gun. But this gun right here is an elite weapon too. These shoes right here I'm pointing at right now, they're elite weapons. Look right there. I'm trying to tell you, look. I started this last night. No, actually not last night, this morning. Woke up at around 3 something. Because I really wanted to play it. It's a good game. It's addictive. So look, the Stig rifle. The Stig rifle. Look at it. Beautiful, ain't it? Now, the chair I'm on is tier 5. Look at this guy. Look at this. The Galing punch right there. So much player with it. And guys, oh my god, I can't believe this. This is gonna come with 46 rounds. 46. I can't believe it. But it do got range on it. And like close range is very great, guys. So everybody mostly gonna be using it or the shotgun. So I might be mostly getting killed by this guy. Really good guy. Hold up. I'm mostly getting killed by this thing. Look up there. I'm just let you hear now. You seen that guy? They cheating. I just had to say it. Guys, I got 1,000. That's my score. Ain't that that's crazy, and I just got in the game. Let me just start wrapping this thing up. Guys. Oh yeah, guys, one more thing. You know how it says on the Spec Ops right here? It says purchase. Look, watch this. Now I go to details. Look at this. I got it already. But you want to know how? On Road to Glory, week 1, week 2, and week 3. That's how you get it, guys. I got the whole suit. Now, guys, I'm just wrap this stuff up already. And I got all where it says Road to Man, I got all them guns. Road to Glory, I got the Stig rifle and a grenade launcher. But on week 3, I really should have not been playing my Xbox. Should have been really playing it. To get the shotgun, really wanted it. I should have been playing it. I'm trying to win the elite weapons because they're really good. Oh yeah, guys, I want you to like this video, please. I swear to God, I will shout you guys out if you go like this video, subscribe to me, subscribe to more videos to me, like all my videos, and leave a comment below. So if you want me to shout your name out, just put yes or no. And like, that'll be it, guys. Hope you have a good day and bye.